What is the biggest myth when it comes to car maintenance?
I gotta say, fancy oils that claim they extend oil change intervals, it's not true.
You can go 10,000 kilometers on one oil change. We recommend that you get your oil changes done. If you're under 100,000, 6 months and 6,000 kilometers, and over 100,000 is 5,000 kilometers in 5 months.
Blinker fluid. Changing your blinker fluid.
Manual transmissions are more fuel efficient than automatics. Back in the old days, yes, but now with all the new advanced technology where you have the 8-speed and 10-speed transmissions, keeps your RPM lower, and they're actually automatics are more fuel efficient.